You've worked hard to build your small business, and now you're wondering, you've got a little bit of income, is there a way that you can save in a tax-advantaged way for the long term, like retirement? There are a couple of different options out there. There are solo 401ks, SEP IRAs, and Simple IRAs, and you might be thinking, what's the best option for you? Well, if you are indeed a single owner, and you can even have a spouse involved in the business but no other employees, we generally recommend that you do what's called a solo 401k, or sometimes referred to as an individual 401k. These types of 401ks are easier to administer than a big plan that a lot of large employers have. They don't have discrimination testing, and the reporting is generally pretty straightforward each year. There are some other advantages too, because they generally tend to be free or very low cost at the big custodians like Vanguard, Schwab, and Fidelity. The biggest advantage for you as an owner is that you can sock away a ton of savings, up to $66,000 in 2023. That's because you do both the employer side and the employee side of the contributions. So if you're looking for a way to save some of that income that you've worked hard to build, and you're considering what's the best plan for the future, seriously consider a solo 401k, so long as you don't have employees in your business. These things are complex though, so please reach out if you want to talk about how to do your own retirement savings as a small business owner.